Today is the day the long-standing legal battle between Ripple Labs and the SEC, which has had the entire crypto community on edge, might finally be nearing its end. For years, the crypto world has been buzzing with unresolved tension of the Ripple lawsuit. This case has not only affected XRP market value, but has also cast a shadow over the regulatory clarity on the entire cryptocurrency market. But here's the twist. Recent rumors suggest settlement might be today. If this is true, this could mean Ripple could move forward without legal overhang, potentially boosting XRP's market value higher than it already is right now. And today we're going to dive into the latest whispers about this possible settlement, December 2nd, 2024, explore more what this could mean for XRP holders in the broader crypto market, and review key points of the case and why the settlement would matter. We'll also be taking a look over here on X because there's huge news coming for XRP over here as well. Hong Kong may be removing all of its taxes for XRP. As we've been talking, when major news and major corporations start talking about a crypto, that is typically when it'll pump for all the normies coming into the system. Bloomberg has a full-on article for XRP. We'll take a look at holding 5,000 XRP. How will that make you a millionaire? We will also be taking a look at Bitcoin. We're going to be looking at exchanges. How many cryptos are still being held on exchanges for XRP and Bitcoin? There's a huge correlation between the amount of crypto that an exchange is actually holding and the price. Are we really about to hit supply shock for Bitcoin, XRP, HBAR, and many other cryptocurrencies? And as you know, December 4th, which is right around the corner, is the RLUSD going to be launched? We can see they are still testing right here as we have 9 million plus nearly 10 million new RLUSD being tested on the Explorer. And so much more coming for you in today's video. Time is of the essence. With the potential settlement date looming, every day could bring significant changes. Staying updated is crucial for anyone that's involved or invested or interested in XRP. This may be the most important XRP video I make on this channel. Stick with me till the end of this video because I've got an exclusive bonus for you. So if you're feeling bullish about this bull run we're in right now, let me know by commenting 777 down below. And if you're going to be the first millionaire in your family, confirm that by smashing that subscribe button and turn on the notification. The most exciting thing for me personally right now, besides XRP's pump, is the fact that this pump in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and all cryptos is different than all seasons past. In every crypto season in the past, it has been a rotation season where we see Bitcoin surge, then we see Ethereum surge, then we see the altcoin surge, and so on. This is for sure different. The main driver behind altcoin season is now stablecoin liquidity, not asset rotation from Bitcoin. The altcoin trading volume isn't driven by BTC pairs, but by stablecoin and fiat pairs. And that has not been the case in the past. Typically, when the bulls are done pushing and pumping the Bitcoin, what they will do is start to take some profit and they'll rotate that into other coins. That is not the case this time. This new surge in the crypto market is actually new liquidity into the market, which is a beautiful thing for us. And this is evident very simply by taking a look at CoinMarketCap. We continue to break new all-time highs when it comes to market cap in crypto, now currently sitting at $3.44 trillion. And as we can see right here with the crypto market cap graph, what we've got highlighted here was October 27, 2024. The current market cap at that point was $2.3 trillion. Total volume was only 45 billion. Now when we take a look, we're at 3.44 trillion and 287 billion in volume. Since Bitcoin's newest all-time high of $99,588, we've been trading sideways for 10 days. We have not seen a significant sell-off in the Bitcoin chart in that time. Obviously, a pullback into this very important level here at $91,000. However, all the altcoins are continuing to surge, but Bitcoin is not crashing. However, when we take a look at the market cap Bitcoin dominance here, when we did top out at that 61%, Bitcoin's dominance has continued to drop significantly. So Bitcoin price remaining solid while the dominance dropping shows that the new inflow into the market is legitimately new cash. And in this chart, you can simply see here aggregated altcoin trading volume, Bitcoin pairs, not extreme. However, aggregated altcoin trading volume for stablecoin pairs has continued to spike day after day. So this is extremely positive news for the entire crypto market as a whole. Adoption is becoming a reality. And speaking of adoption, more large institutions continue to adopt Bitcoin and continues to strengthen the use case and the idea behind Bitcoin. The latest major institution adopting Bitcoin, Hong Kong gaming firm, swaps $49 million worth of their Ether into Bitcoin. Boya Interactive has 3,183 Bitcoin in its stash, up from 2,635 at the end of September. And it is extremely important to continue tracking Bitcoin because it is still the industry leader. Now, as we know, XRP is now come into the third spot by market cap, hoping soon to overtake Ethereum, and then hoping soon to then take over Bitcoin in the future. However, for now, it is the market dominant. And as I continue to keep you guys updated with, Bitcoin exchange balances hit historic lows as long-term holdings tighten supply, signaling potential for more upward momentum. As we all know, it's a simple supply and demand issue. Supply is getting low, demand is extreme, and that correlation creates pumps to the upside.
You want to we always get a Bitcoin comment from you before we let you go. Normally it got stuck under 100. That's a pretty, it's a psychological level, I would imagine.
Yeah, I think some of this could be, there's a lot of folks who don't want Bitcoin over 100,000, and some of it may be the exchanges themselves are concerned because there is a pretty low supply of Bitcoin available over the counter. So you have a supply shortage. And if Bitcoin makes a move above 100,000, I think there'd be a big chase. So I'm still confident Bitcoin's going to close much higher before year end.
Before year end.
Before year end, yeah.
So break $100,000 before the end of the year?
Yeah, well above 100,000 before year end. It's just a matter of time.
It's December 2nd. It's not that long, Tom. So it's going to do it in the next 4 weeks.
Tom makes bold short
I know, you're nuts, and they all come.
So the exciting news is Bitcoin could see a massive pump up above 100K before the end of the year per many experts. However, we continue to see altcoins also continuing to pump. This would be huge news for everyone in the crypto world because altcoins pumping now and then Bitcoin surging later, people are not going to sell off their altcoins like they would typically do and rotate back into Bitcoin. It's just new institutional money coming into the system as a whole. And as we know, there's continued speculation that the United States will be adopting a Bitcoin reserve. They want to buy 1 million Bitcoin, not $1 million worth of Bitcoin, but 1 million Bitcoin over the next several years. It is interesting, the topic of will they be rotating the US fiat dollar into Bitcoin to where it becomes the reserve asset. Now, I know that's crazy. That's a conspiracy theory. It's pie in the sky. But take a listen to this.
I'd also like to comment on, this recent Trump tweet, if you would want to call it, about 100% tariffs on the BRIC countries if they start a new currency. I find that really curious because really I think the biggest threat to the dollar being used as a reserve currency is Bitcoin, which we all hear, Trump is a big supporter of. So it seems a little bit strange to tell them don't produce an alternative reserve currency when really Bitcoin is, being talked about by many countries in the world as their alternative currency, some of them getting rid of gold and going into Bitcoin. So I'm a little curious on how that's going to play itself out once we hear all the details.
Another awesome thing that's happening right now is Coinbase now allows users to purchase cryptocurrency with Apple Pay. And if you remember the on-ramp, off-ramp discussions that's been going on for years, because a lot of people think it's too hard to actually buy cryptocurrency. But now you can simply log into Coinbase, click buy, and it'll pull up your Apple Pay on your phone, and you can simply buy whatever currency you would like. Now let's get over to some XRP news, and we are going to be breaking into that December 2nd decision for the court and the appeal. Before we jump into that though, and also don't forget at the very end of this, I'm going to show you a way that you can get access to the bonus here at the very end. And I'm sure you've been watching your XRP price skyrocket to the moon, and Coinbase whales fuel the XRP rally with a 3 to 13% price premium in 30 days, while Upbit shows no significant premium despite its massive XRP base. I did want to show you this really great report from CryptoQuant, XRP Ledger Exchange Reserve, so holding coins available to sell. As we can see over here, price obviously continuing to surge. This price data was as of November 30th, but take a look at the bottom there. The exchange reserve, only 13 million coins on BitGet, which is one of the largest exchanges in the world. Then I also found this one here for Binance, and this one shows a steady supply, so plenty of coins, XRP availability over on Binance. But look at this really interesting scenario here. Binance decided to surge up their holdings back in January of 2024 and was able to hold steady for this whole period of time, even during this massive surge. You can see it is starting to come down on the Binance chart as well. And over here on Crypto Quant, you can actually sort through all of the different exchanges here, whichever one is your most favorite. And when we come over here to Coin Market Cap and we click on markets and we sort by 24-hour volume, we see the most amount of trading volume going on right now is at SuperX at 6 million, then Binance at 6.6 billion, Binance at 6.5 billion, Upbit at 6.3 billion. Let's see how much they have on store. When we scroll down under the exchange option, we select Upbit, and you can see, interestingly enough, they must have known something ahead of time as well, because take a look here, just at this exact point, June 19th, 2024, they decided to supercharge the amount of XRP they had on hand. And take a look at this right here. It is also starting to come down as people continue to buy and also remove the coins from exchanges. Down here we have Bybit at 2 billion and BitGet. Let's take a look at what they have. Here's Bybit's exchange, and they had a crazy volume up and down with token exchange. Had a huge surge here of available tokens, 192 million. Price continues to pump. They're currently down to 67 million. So as we were talking about with the Bitcoin exchange scenario, supply shock. Could we see a supply shock for XRP? Is there going to be enough XRP on exchanges for people to buy as this rally continues?
So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself, on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University through the link below. And although we make no guarantees because crypto is definitely risky, guys, this is only $97 a month or $970 a year. If you want to save $194, getting 2 months for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses through the link below. But I'm not going to talk all about that in this video because we have a lot to cover. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers, because we have a lot to cover with you over the next few minutes in this video to help you become the first millionaire in your family tree. If that's a goal of yours, our goal is to help 1,000 members set their portfolio up for life this month. And you can get started through the link in the description below right now, or you can go to bullrunners.com to take advantage of the bonuses we're giving you before they expire. We have about 200 members right now, and we literally just launched like less than 5 days ago at the time of making this video. Everyone is loving the community. They're loving the education. They're getting access to real-time altcoin picks first before we ever make videos about them. So click the link in the description below, watch the video, and I'll see you on the inside.
And we see more countries getting on board with XRP, not just Bitcoin, but Hong Kong removes all taxes on XRP as it partners with Ripple in hopes of becoming the ultimate offshore crypto hub for the world. So I dug in and did some research, and Hong Kong has recently proposed significant tax exemptions aimed at attracting institutional investors and positioning itself as a leading crypto hub. Here's how it relates to XRP in the broader cryptocurrency landscape. The Hong Kong government has proposed to waive taxes on investment gains from cryptocurrencies, including XRP, for hedge funds, private equity funds, and eligible family offices. This initiative is part of a broader strategy to enhance Hong Kong's appeal as wealth management hub. On platforms like X, there's excitement about Hong Kong potentially becoming an offshore crypto hub, with users specifically mentioning XRP in relation to these tax exemptions. However, it is crucial to treat such information as reflecting current sentiment rather than confirmed policy specifics. These proposed tax exemptions could significantly reduce the tax burden on gains, assuming the policy progresses as intended. And this was a great post by XRP Avengers. How sure are you that holding 5,000 XRP will make you a millionaire in 2025? And if you do the simple math here, you would take $1 million and divide it by 5,000. That would mean that XRP would need to be $200 per coin in order to make you a millionaire with 5,000. So will we reach $200 a coin? That could be a stretch. However, if you do 50,000 XRP, if you're holding 50,000 or more, it would simply be $20 per XRP to equal $1 million. And yesterday, the big news was XRP surpassing $2, and our superhero John Deaton, XRP extraordinaire, he says here, in September of 2018, XRP was actually briefly the second largest cryptocurrency in the world. To once again become number 2, it would need to reach around $8. I'm not suggesting it will or won't, just looking at the math. And what he's referring to is to overcome Ethereum's current market cap, we would need an $8 XRP, and we would be the number 2 cryptocurrency in the world. And this was a great post by Ocean. XRP holders, never forget you weren't lucky. This is how long you've been bag holding. So we can see right here, we got Mr. Brad Garlinghouse, that young looking version of him, to where he's come now. He's all gray haired. What a wild ride it has been for XRP indeed. And also, if you remember, XRP, Ripple's YouTube channel was recently taken down for a couple of days due to a scam situation. So Brad Garlinghouse has posted a video here to protect yourself against scams.
Oh, hi. I'm Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple. Hi, I'm Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple. No, you're not. Big wins at the XRP giveaway. Link in bio. Look, this guy is obviously a scam. There's no XRP giveaway. Send us 500 XRP and we'll send you double back. Congratulations, XRP holders. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ripple will never ask you to send us XRP. Send me your wallet address and we will give you all the XRP. Okay, that's enough, buddy. I'm reporting you. Big wins. At least I got my hair right.
So Ripple will never ask you to send us XRP. And if you've seen these scams all across YouTube, where it's a video of him talking at a conference with a QR code in the corner saying, send me some crypto and I'll send you double, make sure you don't do that. And Bloomberg has an article out now. XRP, a token linked to Ripple Labs, has vaulted rivals to become the 3rd largest cryptocurrency in a $100 billion rally. So this is really great news because this is a major publication that other people read. They may not be on X and they read traditional news outlets such as Bloomberg. And this is putting XRP into mass marketing that we have not seen before. And today is the day. So let's talk about December 2nd, just in Ripple Labs and United States Securities Commission to approve settlement of XRP lawsuit by December 2nd, which is today. And we've been seeing screenshots of this all throughout X, United States District Court, Northern District of California, in regards to Ripple Labs and litigation. But as you scroll through, every one of these is using the same exact screenshot, and there's no dates in the actual information there. And on top of that, the second most important thing is going to be happening 2 days from now, and that's the Ripple stablecoin launch that is speculated to be happening on December 4th. So as always, I do a little research and we want to make sure if this is real or if it's just a rumor. The latest updates on the Ripple case indicate that there might be a significant development soon. Recent posts on X suggest that Ripple Labs and United States SEC could potentially approve the settlement of the XRP lawsuit by December 2nd. However, these claims from social media should be treated with caution as they might not reflect official or confirmed news. Additionally, there's mention that Ripple potentially getting approval for their stablecoin RUSD by New York, targeting a launch date of December 4th, indicating Ripple's ongoing activities despite the lawsuit. This shows that despite the legal challenges, Ripple continues to expand its offerings. However, for most current and official updates, one should look towards direct announcements from Ripple Labs, SEC filings, or credible news sources, as social media posts can often contain unverified speculative information. When we go over to ripple.com to check their blog, we can see here that their latest update is unlocking opportunity. Ripple and Mercy Core Ventures expand partnership to equip emerging market entrepreneurs, November 19th. And the rest of the headlines also from November, nothing about the official court case. When we do look up the actual case, docket 437, the latest update here, the court is in receipt of the parties' joint motion for entry of final judgment of stay. If the parties are amenable to this alternative resolution, the court requests that they file an amended proposed order. And if the parties are not amenable, the court requests that they file a notice to the effect by November 4th, 2024. It is so ordered. And this is in regards to Ripple Lab litigation. So there are high hopes that this does get resolved soon. However, there is no official statement or documentation from anyone. With these whispers and rumors swirling around XO, there could be some behind the scenes information that people are privy to, and we could see a resolution shortly. I also thought this was a great post here by Brett over on X. Free financial advice. Homer Simpson pulls the tab. You don't have enough XRP. And by the way, none of this information is financial advice. This is financial entertainment, financial education only. Please do not buy or sell anything we talk about on this channel. Please do your own research. Taking a look over here at XRP charts before I get you the bonus information here at the end, I did want to show you guys a couple of very important things. We talked about these spider lines. These are historic lines that come from the previous all-time high of XRP on the weekly charts. And what is really interesting, the most interesting thing to me was the very tip top weekly candle that got us the all-time high, $3.30. Then the pivot line of the most recent high of $1.97, which obviously we've broken so far. But that same line that goes from the very top of the all-time high through that pivot line down to the bottom was a very close indicator to when the actual move was going to start, which was pretty interesting that I saw. As you can see, it was riding that line before finally taking that move to the upside. We then got to our first spider line to the upside, and it did hold as a nice support. Up to the second one, another support, and then taking off. It just blew through these last couple, but you can see that they get exactly to these levels. Our most recent level that we talked about was $2.75. It did reach that one today. It even wicked all the way up into this next level, $2.85. On the BitGet exchange or Bitstamp exchange, this gave us a $2.87 most recent high. Again, chasing after that $3.31 all-time high. But when we take it down to a smaller time frame here, the 1 hour, we'll notice that that spider line, very effective, is currently acting as a resistance. We do have that 10 exponential moving average coming up nicely. We're still very bullish above that line. But you'll notice we are going to start running into some resistance levels at these next levels to the upside. And another really great post here from Dom, XRP order book update. Once $2.75 is taken out, we can see an easy clearing up to $3. And that is in regards to his last post, which was this one here, when he said once that's taken out, $2.75 comes next with a little sell wall on Coinbase. So right now we are fighting that $2.75 sell wall. Once we clear that, we could see that shot back up to $3. And that's exactly what's happening. Prices getting here. People are selling, taking profits at this level. Once all of those paper hands are out of the way and all of the diamond hands continue to hold, we're going to be continuing our move back up to that $3 level. I have been talking to a lot of XRP holders, and they're starting to get anxiety, because of the fact that we've suffered for so long around these 50-cent levels, getting up to $2.80. Everyone wants to know, should we be taking profits here? Well, it all depends on your belief level of all of the rumors that surround XRP. Is it really going to be used by every single bank around the world? Are all of these ETFs going to get approved? Is the SEC going to finally close out this case? Are all of those situations, the Ripple LS or the Ripple USD, RLUSD coming out, all of these situations, are those buy the rumor, sell the news events? Well, the great news is those news events haven't happened yet, and there is still plenty of momentum to the upside. I've been personally following XRP for years and years now, and I've never seen this much attention on a platform like X. Everyone's talking about XRP. Some people are bashing it, obviously, calling it a dino coin, saying that it doesn't have a real use case, saying that all of the XRP that's escrowed is going to be dropped on our heads and it's going to go right back to 60 cents. But in all reality, if everyone who has purchased XRP holds on to it and is not taking profit, we will run into a supply shortage, meaning that supply and demand kicks in and price can go up. On a side note, one of the craziest things that has happened today, we got Moodang. Moodang got listed on a major exchange, Coinbase, and had a super shot up, currently at 60% up today. And if you were a part of our community over at Altcoin Pro, we did a full review on Moodang. We figured something big was coming for it 18 days ago. And sure enough, it has exploded. When we posted this, it was at 455 market cap, and it is now sitting at 558 market cap. So a really nice move for Moodang to the upside. Great job by our Altcoin Pro community. And if you would be, so I highly recommend joining the 542 members we have already in the community that just started this month. We're looking at thousands of members joining. Take a look at this.
Hey, bull runners, check this out. If you want to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, or even 100x altcoin in this video, listen to this. Our research team posted GOAT on the 13th of October of 2024 when it was right at a penny, and since then it rallied to over $1 and is currently still up over 5,000%. That's like turning $1,000 into over $50,000. Our team called Pendle at only a $16 million market cap, or 16 cents, back on February 18th of 2023, all the way back here, and since then it's rallied up over 4,000%. That's a 40x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $40,000. Our team also called BitTensor Tau September 15th, 2022, before the token was ever even launched. And since then, Tau has rallied over 2,000%. That's a 20x. Our team even said Solana is most likely to be one of the easiest trades next year, and this was posted December 29th, 2022, on the day that Solana bottomed out at around $8. And since then, Solana looks like it's up over 2,500%. That's a 25x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $25,000. And the bull run is just getting started. The list goes on and on and on. Our team called Sui, Ondo, and even some of the biggest cult-based meme coins like MOG back in July 20th of 2023, the day that MOG launched. So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself, on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University through the link below. And although we make no guarantees because crypto is definitely risky, guys, this is only $97 a month or $970 a year. If you want to save $194, getting 2 months for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses through the link below. But I'm not going to talk all about that in this video because we have a lot to cover. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers, because we have a lot to cover with you over the next few minutes in this video to help you become the first millionaire in your family tree. If that's a goal of yours, our goal is to help 1,000 members set their portfolio up for life this month. And you can get started through the link in the description below right now, or you can go to bullrunners.com to take advantage of the bonuses we're giving you before they expire. We have about 200 members right now, and we literally just launched like less than 5 days ago at the time of making this video. Everyone is loving the community. They're loving the education. They're getting access to real-time altcoin picks first before we ever make videos about them. So click the link in the description below, watch the video, and I'll see you on the inside.